cucumber and tomato with fresh mint. This is some cucumber which I removed the skin and cut them up in dice. This is some tomato wash off, cut up. Look at this. So what we're going to do, is simple. Put that nice, lovely cucumber inside of the bowl. Tomato, nice one. Little bit of olive, green olive. Large tablespoon of fresh mint. A little bit more. Let's mix it up. You can put a little bit more mint if you like. I'm gonna just put the rest of olive. Simple, easy to prepare at home. Alright guys, but as you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is a simple little dish. Just some fresh cucumber and fresh tomato with some olive and some mint dressing. I have some dressing, mint dressing left over. Decide to use it and do something very quickly, simple and easy. Alright, choose a very healthy recipe, healthy salad. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pop a tablespoon of aloe vera, and also teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. That definitely gonna bring in a different taste and texture towards this nice, lovely salad right here. As I said before, guys, I'm always telling you guys that, you know what I mean, this is a normally salad with Chef Ricardo normally make. I just want you guys to please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box, and also tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Is a very, very simple dish right here, and I know 100% you guys will definitely love this. So please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As I said, we always have the best recipe ever in this whole entire world, and this is just like a healthy salad, fresh mint with cucumber and tomato and black olive, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera, and you can just have this for the day. Weight loss salad, weight loss drink. Please check out my YouTube channel for weight loss drink. We got a lot more recipe coming out like those, and also healthy recipes and healthy drink which is coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. I want to take the time out to say thank you so much guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel, leaving your comments in the description box. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. What more can we say? More than say 100% thank you so much for watching, leaving your comments, and also tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So as I said, as I repeat again one more time, we got fresh tomato, fresh cucumber, olive, and also we have some aloe vera. We got some aloe vera, we have some lovely apple cider vinegar right here, and some fresh aloe vera drink which is going to be amazing. Alright guys, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and as I said, we are one of the best at the moment. So thank you, and I will see you next time with more healthy recipe as we goes on day by day from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Salad bar is amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes. Anyway, this one is just some fresh cucumber and tomato with some apple cider vinegar, aloe vera, and some fresh mint inside of this bottle right here. All I have to do is just remove the skin from the cucumber and the tomato, wash them off, cut them up small, add a little bit of the aloe vera and the apple cider vinegar and a little bit of the fresh mint, mix it up together, and you can have this in the morning or lunchtime, wherever you like to have it, in the evening with your dinner. Some people like to eat something healthy in the morning, so basically I'm not gonna say have it in the morning for breakfast, you know what I mean, like coming up to 12 o'clock you can have it for your lunch or in the evening for an evening snack. I want to take the time out to say thank you so much to tune into Chef Ricardo's Salad Bar channel, guys. One of the best, and I know you 100% you guys will love this one, which I've been doing for you guys. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I will see you next time.